Okay, in this section, I will tell you about how to find your add yours on Instagram. Open the Instagram application. After that, you can choose the search bar. In the search bar, you can type add yours. And then you can go to the Reels. You can choose anything video you like, for example, then choose add yours. So this is theme of Halloween costume, for example. Finally, you can use the add yours on your Instagram story. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you.